Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making pairing immediate. Power and software matter. With the earbuds charged and the iPhone unlocked, open Settings and tap Bluetooth. Keep it visible. Take both earbuds from the case and hold them close to your phone so Bluetooth can detect their signal faster. Once removed, the earbuds enter pairing mode automatically. If they do not, press and hold the touch surfaces for a few seconds to force the pairing LED. This reduces interference and speeds discovery. Once your iPhone lists Bose Quietcomfort Earbuds Roman 2, tap the name to start the secure connection. This step completes device exchange and authorizes audio routing. If a confirmation appears, accept it. This allows the iPhone to send audio and control metadata like play/pause. After selection, wait for the status to show connected, then play a short clip to verify left-right audio and volume behavior. If sound is low, make sure media volume and headphones. To finish, open the Bose Music app for firmware and fine-tuning. This gives noise cancellation and fit check options that improve performance. If pairing fails, reset the earbuds. Return them to the case, close and reopen the lid, then press and hold the earbuds touch controls for about 10 seconds to force a reboot. This clears stale pairing states. If problems persist, on your iPhone, tap the device in Bluetooth and choose Forget this device. Then retry pairing from the start to ensure a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.